Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to discuss some important tips and tricks of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, my first trick is perfect and symmetrical shapes. We all know how to insert shapes into Microsoft PowerPoint by going to the Insert tab and by clicking on Shapes and selecting our desired shape. Now, for example, I select an oval shape. If you can have a look, the shape of this is not symmetrical, is not perfect. So what can I do to make it perfect? To do it, I'm going to again click on insert. I'm going to select a shape, and when I click on shape, I have this plus arrow appear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the shift button down. When I hold the shift button down, then I click on the shape. My shape is perfectly circle, as you can have a look. There is no distortion in the shape of my desired shape, which is circle in this case. So in this way we can have perfect and symmetrically shape. Again, go to insert. Let me select another shape. This time let me select a rectangle. Again, hold the shift button down and you will have a perfect square again. So by holding the shift button down, we will have perfect symmetrical shapes. My second trick is use of Ctrl to copy shapes. Now again, I'm going to insert a shape. For example, this square or rectangle I'm going to insert. Now if you want to copy, one method is to press is to right click and click on copy, or press Ctrl plus P. Other method is simple: click on the shape, hold down the Control key and drag it to elsewhere. Now this shape has been copied. Again, hold down the Control key, click on the shape and drag it to here. That this shape has again been copied. So you can simply use the Control key to copy shapes. My next trick is the use of eyedropper. Now if I have a shape, for example I have this rectangular shape, I want to have it of such color which is present in some image. I have an image of a MATLAB here. Now I want this shape to be present in this color, and for some reason I cannot select the color of this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the shape, and that format option is going to appear. In the format option, I'm going to click on shape fill, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on eyedropper. Once I have clicked on eyedropper, I can simply select the color of the image that I want to copy to the shape. For example, I want to copy this color to this shape, or this color to this shape. I can simply click on it and that color has been changed. Again, if I want to change the color, shape fill, I can use the eyedropper. I can change the color to this shape. Again, shape fill, eyedropper, and change the color to whatever color I want. This is very helpful. If you do not know the exact color of a picture, you can simply click on the shape and then copy the color of that picture to your desired shape. My next tricks are related to the slideshow mode. So let me go to the slideshow mode. We know that to go to the slideshow mode, we need to click on this slideshow. The first is to activate pin annotation. To activate pin annotation, I can simply use Ctrl plus P. So I'm going to click on Ctrl and then I'm going to click on P, and this is going to give me the annotation. Now we have the pin annotation enabled in the slideshow mode. So this is done. The second tip is to activate laser pointer. To do it, I need to hold the Control key, and with Control key I need to press L. And now we have the laser pointer activated, as you can see. So now the second one is also done. The third is to activate the highlighter. I need to hold the Control button down and I need to press the I key. When I press the Ctrl plus I key, now the highlighter has been activated. Now I can highlight my certain text in my PowerPoint. And then for zoom in, I can simply press the plus key. So when I press the plus keys, you can have a look, we are going to zoom it. We are going zooming in. And then to zoom out, I need to press the negative key, the minus key. As you can have a look, we are zooming out. and then we have W for widescreen. So let me press W, and now we have widescreen. Now if I want to explain something here, draw something here, I can. So let me again press the W key to go back to our original screen, and then we have B for black screen. So if I click on B, we have black screen activated, and now I can draw or write whatever I want. And then again I'm going to press B to go to my slideshow mode. The other keyword is, the other shortcut is G. When I press the G, I have this slide sorter view. As you can have a look, I have all the slides appear. So I can simply click on my slide and go to that slide. Again, when I press G, I go to the slide sorter mode. So then I can come to my desired slide and explain it. So this was all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you.